The XTX016C has 16 digital inputs, giving it the ability to monitor up to 16 machines. There are 5 key steps to get your new XTX device up and running. Step 1. To get started, the clear plastic lid should be removed by removing the 4 screws at each corner. This should be kept somewhere safe to prevent damage or loss of the component or any screws. Step 2. We recommend that installers fix the device on a wall or alternative solid surface. The relevant fixings are provided in the box, which can be screwed onto the back of the housing. This provides an anchor point to screw into any surface. The XTX module uses 3 input connections: a 110 to 240 volt AC power supply, a network connection to the internet, and a cycle signal from your machines. Step 3. A 110 to 240 volt AC power supply must be installed to the connector block and should be fused to 3 amps at the source. This should be wired by a competent person. Power to the device can be controlled by the on-off switch located on the left side of the device. Step 4. A network connection is required to connect the XTX module to our cloud service using a standard RJ45 connector. A split seal gland is provided to allow pre-terminated Ethernet cable to be installed and provide strain relief. The connection status can be checked by navigating to the link on screen. If any of the tests show up in red, access to our services may be blocked and will need to be rectified with your IT department. Step 5. The XTX module requires a cycle signal from each machine using any 2-core cable that is capable of carrying 20 mA or more. Each digital input has 2 connections. On each 2-way input, 24 volts is provided by the left terminal and the signal is received by the right. For discrete processes, such as injection moulding, a normally open volt-free contact relay should be used, which closes upon each machine cycle. For continuous processes, such as extrusion, a rotary encoder can be used to output a signal straight to the XTX device. Products can also be monitored with the use of a proximity sensor, which can be wired directly to an XTX input. For example, boxes which pass a sensor on a conveyor belt could trigger a signal. Users can test the signal by pressing the test button. This will also illuminate the LED indicator. Our cloud software monitors these signals to find the cycle time, active time and trailing time, allowing you to monitor the output of your machines in real time.